Welcome to the world of possibilities. Welcome to Niharika Enterprise, your one-stop solution to all your electrical vehicle requirements. Hello everyone, this is Shivnath Mukherjee from Niharika Enterprise, selling India's favorite electric vehicles plugged into the future. Friends, our USP is service, and we have started up with a concept called service on the spot. For the convenience of customers, we are present at 3 locations. Our sales points are at New Alipur, Kodghat Taliganj, and at Thakurpukur. So we are ready to welcome you all. Thank you.
Could you briefly explain the USP of your brand? What makes your brand special?
Our USP is basically green vehicles. These are all zero polluting vehicles. No paperwork, no hassle of paperwork. There is no license, no registration, and no petrol. Value for money product, very economical. We call it pocket friendly. Capability of giving service guarantee. We give service guarantee and tell all our customers that riding our vehicles will bring happiness, joy in every ride, guaranteed. And most importantly, use of technology. We are thinking of using IoT technology in our upcoming models. No license, no petrol. Fed up of everyday fuel price increase. The electric scooter is also having a two-tone indicator. The indicator is having also lights, which is safe at night because it's completely visible and it's also very stylish. Bike is having 160 mm ground clearance, which is very good, and the wheel drum is also very large, which is highest in its segment. The bike is also having a speed enhancement switch. It's a high-speed vehicle where speed is still very good, and once you start the ignition, you can see the moving. And once you start pressing the speed enhancement switch, it goes even faster. It's a very good utility for people who are commuting long distances. The electric bike has 3 storage. One in the dashboard, which is a 7-liter space. Then we have a storage inside the foot, which is a 10-liter storage. 10-liter storage is there. And then we have a storage inside the seat, which is again a 10-liter storage. The bike also has a USB port, which is inbuilt in the scooter, which is very helpful for mobile charging and other activities. It has also got an MCP port, which is very good for safety.
All right. And final question, who do you think will benefit out of your presentation?
Electric vehicles are for all, for business houses, for individuals. In fact, we call that post-COVID opportunity to serve people. We all know how important is social distancing in today's scenario. How will people avoid public transport and public contacts? We, as a company, Niharika Enterprise, have brought value for money solution of green vehicles, that is electric vehicles. Our vehicles are very reasonably priced and have attractive EMI options. So, friends, what are you waiting for? Get your own electric vehicle and ride into the future tension-free. We are doing a test ride of this electric bike. These are all green vehicle bikes, and we are coming from Dhaka to Salt Lake. It is around 70 kilometers. So we are doing a test drive of 70 kilometers in this bike. All the best.
Good afternoon, I'm Vijay Kumar Patodia, and I represent a company called Sunbeam Power and Renewable Energy. This testimonial is in favor of Mr. Shivnath Mukherjee of Niharika Enterprises. It's been a pleasant experience. I am into the field of renewable energy, and about 8 months ago I decided to take an e-bike from him, which was a basic reason that I wanted to help the environment and give my team a mobility which will not hamper or which will not create pollution. Right, and my experience has been absolutely fabulous. As of today, yes, there have been a couple of concerns, but the same has been addressed by Mr. Mukherjee instantly, either by visiting or sending a team member, and the after-sales services I have no complaints upon. And I'm very happy that I've been able to do my bit to help the environment or reduce pollution. And I think e-bike is the way forward, and I plan to take more e-bikes and have continued patronage from Mr. Shivnath Mukherjee in my coming days. And I wish Niharika Enterprises all the best for their future endeavors as well. Thank you.
Gives of Niharika Enterprise and Ask of Niharika Enterprise.